Hit the bubble. Where's the bubble? Bubble. So. Why?
Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, please subscribe my channel for all the good videos. And please click on the bell icon to receive all my videos on time. Right, enjoy the video till the end.
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming. What happened to you?
You can just touch it. There's no touch there. You don't know. Which one do you want to watch? This movie?
Which movie you selected on?
You like the flight?
Is it better now? Try now. Can you reach? Ah, there we go. Perfect. Amazing. Look at this big boy.
Play the car game.
You want to watch a movie? These are the kids' movies. It's so simple to operate it.
Keep it back.
You need to wear the headphones to... Wait. Let me open it for you. Okay. Yes, you got it. Can you hear the voice? Can you hear it?
I need more volume.
I'm raising the volume.
Yeah, too loud.
Stop screaming then.
You don't have to scream for that.
Is this much fine?
Is it fine now?
Can you watch it now? Are you comfortable?
I like this movie.
What's happening there?
I don't know.
Huh? You don't know? Then why are you watching? Ryan? You got a pouch.
I want to sleep.
Let the flight take off. After that you can sleep. But you got a pouch. Do you want to check your pouch? There.
قد يؤدي إلى تلف الهاتف وبطاريته. يتعين الآن أن تكون شاشة التلفزيون والطاولة ونسبة
What do you want to do, Ryan?
مطوية، وأن تكون ستائر المرافق مفتوحة، وأن يكون مقعدكم في الوضع العمودي. عندما تضيء إشارة حزام الأمان يتعين عليكم الجلوس
Why you want to switch off?
حزام مقعدكم، ويمكنكم تعليمه من خلال سحب الشرط. يرجى رفع الحلقة
We'll sleep. Let the flight take off. After that you can.
البطارية خلال نومكم.
In some time. You don't want to have your dinner?
التدخين على متن الطائرة
ها؟
ممنوع بتاتا.
Don't you-
ويعاقب عليه القانون بما في ذلك السجائر.
Okay. Good night, Ryan. Good night. Ryan, good morning. Ryan. Ryan, good morning. Yeah. Yes. You want to have your breakfast first? Ryan? This one. The upper one. Done? Do you want to brush? Then do you want to have your breakfast? Huh? Chalo, ठीक है. Do it later. Okay? Keep it here. Do it later. First have your breakfast. Do you want to have some cake? Come. Cake? Aaj. Ryan. चला गया. I don't think you want light, right? You don't want light. Oh, okay. See, now you can see outside. What is there? Yeah, it's very bright.
Your date
Yeah, it's hurting?
What?
It's too bright?
Yes.
Okay, have this.
What is this for?
A soft toy.
Toy for Ryan.
For you.
I don't like it.
But you got the coloring book, you can color, right?
Yes.
After breakfast, okay? Rana, I have breakfast for you. See, look at your tray. Nice tray. Huh?
Oh, you're blocking it.
Dudu for you. Watch it later. Pause right now. Pause your movie. Let's pause. First you finish your breakfast. See? Some cereals for you. With Dudu. What do you want to have? Cereals are not cold. They're supposed to be like this. You want warm milk? Do you want warm milk?
No, what are they doing?
You don't want to eat?
Yes.
Ryan, that's not cool. You have to eat something, or you cannot watch this movie. You finish your food and then you watch whatever you want to watch. You want a cupcake also?
Yes.
Okay, I'll ask for the cupcake. But first you finish this. You want to mix it or you want to have it separately?
I want it warm.
You want warm? Okay. Excuse me. He wants warm milk.
Warm milk.
And one cupcake for him.
And cupcake.
Yeah, cupcake.
You're not letting me see.
Okay, now you can see for some time. I'll come again and check you, okay? Alright, you have to finish your breakfast. Ran, do you want hot cross bun with butter? Huh? Okay.
I do not want it like circle and icing on it. Okay?
Icing? There's no icing. Aru, good morning. Aru, coloring?
Here, where we got here. Activity book करो। और Ryan की है। We are from Dubai.
Papa. Yeah. Fish.
Fish. No, I need fish.
Papa. Yeah.
Okay, bring up the bowl. Hit the bowl. Where's the bowl?
Papa.
Bowl. So. Why?
Aaj chalo fasten your seatbelt. We are going to the hotel now.
Eat.
Yes. How's your pickup?
Oh, look at that, guys. I only got it from here. Mama, look.
See?
I'm making a castle, Mama.
Where?
There.
We have to see this.
Do you see the Ferris wheel?
Ferris wheel there.
There in front of you. Someone show him.
Now it will come.
See?
See that?